Alright, today we're going to be doing an install of a vent tab on this 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata center vent. And you want to first find the unique blade, which is this one. Center it. And the back blades, we're going to want to be all the way at the top of its range of motion. As you can see here, that's where it'll clip onto. And we have the vent tab, and we're going to want to line up this back prong with the post ends there, like so, and it'll actually catch when you slide up, it'll catch, and from there we will push it on and click. Now you have a working vent again.